Brian?
Dude,
Nope.
Don't come up here.
All right.
I'm telling you right now, I'm not in the mood. You come around that corner.
I have one.
Kill you. I'm not playing.
That's fair.
You better just go if you want your family to see you tomorrow.
On the evening of May 26, 2025, the Morrow County Sheriff's Office responded to a distress call from a man who reported that his brother-in-law, 53-year-old Brian Wilson, had just opened fire on him. While the caller stated he was not physically injured, he was visibly shaken by the incident.
My truck got shot.
Your truck got shot?
I believe so, yes.
Do you know who was shooting?
Yeah, his name's Brian Wilson.
Wilson?
Yeah, Brian Wilson. No, I went there because my sister-in-law, he called my wife yelling at her. I went there to talk with him, and he come out with a pistol in his hand.
Okay.
And he ended up shooting at my truck.
Okay, you're not injured or anything?
Huh?
You're not injured or anything?
I'm not injured, no.
Shortly after 7:30 p.m., Morrow County Sheriff's Deputies Rinkler and Daniel Shearer were dispatched to follow up on the report. Deputy Rinkler went to the Groovy Plants Ranch on County Road 15 to speak with the man who placed the call, while Deputy Shearer headed to Brian Wilson's residence on County Road 26 to question him directly.
So, is there issues going on between you and your brother?
It's brother-in-law.
I get that.
There's never been a problem.
Okay.
My wife called him because he put something on Facebook, and she wanted to call him, get straightened out, whatever they did. And he started cussing her out and everything. And I said, "You do not talk to my wife that way." I said, "I'll come over and we can talk."
Okay.
I get there, he came out with a gun. He goes, "You need to leave." I got in the truck. As I'm getting in the truck, he fired at my passenger side.
So how many times did he shoot?
2 clips. I don't really know how many bullets went flying. But I got caught one here.
73. I have multiple shots been fired into the truck.
The deputy slowly circled the truck, inspecting the damage. 7 shots had been fired. 2 had come dangerously close to the caller's head. As the deputy took note of the bullet paths, the brother-in-law began to explain exactly what had unfolded that evening.
So you pulled in the driveway, got out, he told you to leave.
He started hollering through the window, and I said, "Come outside, we need to talk."
Okay.
I wasn't going to go to the door. I was still in the driveway.
Alan Budinot out of Galena, 2017 Chevy, gray in color. Expires 6 of,
Close enough.
correction, 5 of 26. 45-year-old male, he'll be valid. Negative 15.
You're clear.
He said, "You get out of here." I said, "That's fine." I turned, I was on my truck, and as I was getting in, he started firing, so I dropped out onto the ground, and I heard that he was done shooting. I jumped up there and started the truck, backed out. His wife was standing in the driveway too.
Okay.
My sister-in-law, my wife's sister. And so as I turned, backed out, and started to head, I guess it's south.
Okay.
He fired across the road, and there's a lady's house right there. I'm kind of worried about her. I don't know,
We'll go over there and check on her too.
but yeah, he fired another round of another clip,
Okay.
and from what I could see, after he was done with that, it looked like he was loading another one. And
So you saw the gun?
Yeah,
Handgun?
it was a handgun.
Okay. Color? Did you see anything?
I didn't see it.
Okay. All right. I get it. I'm just trying to figure out the best.
I seen gun, and I was getting dodge. That's
Okay.
all.
I get that. What was the posting on Facebook?
It was about their dad.
Okay.
He's up in a hospital in Lima,
Okay.
possibly dying.
Okay.
And he goes, it couldn't happen to a better man.
Get irritated.
And
Okay.
it irritated, you know. I just don't, and the way he was talking to my wife, I just want to come here and talk to him and say, look, you don't talk to her that way. If you want to come over and we can hash it out, talk like human beings, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm not coming up here to fight the guy or nothing. That's what he thinks.
Okay. You didn't make any threats to him?
I didn't.
Okay.
Sure, I didn't.
What did you say anything besides let's talk about it and trying
I
that
said,
situation?
Let's come outside and talk to you.
Okay. All right.
That's all I said.
All right. Did you have a gun? Did you fire back
No,
at
sir.
all? Do you have a gun on you?
No, sir, I don't.
Nothing in the car? Okay.
5900, 938, check up.
I'm all right. You can cancel checks on me. Okay.
The caller, still visibly shaken, insisted that this kind of behavior was wildly out of character for Brian. He's never done anything like this before, he said, his voice trembling. The deputy, now fully aware that this wasn't just a petty family dispute, assured him he'd take detailed photographs and collect a written statement. The caller nodded, eager to help make sense of the madness. At this point, it was being handled as a serious, yet contained, incident. But what no one knew, not even the deputies, was that the next few hours were about to spiral into something far darker than anyone could have imagined.
3859, what's the other 911s coming in?
They're all coming in right now from the same address. Other same callers from last time. Seating officer down at this time. Dispatching squad now.
You're clear.
Deputy Winkler had just begun collecting photographic evidence to build a case against Brian Wilson when he received an urgent alert from dispatch. Multiple 911 calls were coming in from the vicinity. When Winkler requested further details, dispatch informed him that witnesses were reporting an officer down. Shots had been fired at Brian Wilson's residence.
Now I know a sheriff was out at the house and the guy shot the police officer.
Okay. Can you see him breathing or anything?
I'm not anywhere near. The guy still has a gun. I live across the street.
This guy is shooting at somebody and screaming at somebody.
Okay. What's the address?
My address is 99 County Road 26. I don't know the address right across from me. It's on the corner of 26 and 15. It's a small gray house.
Okay, I apologize. I'm getting a bunch of different addresses.
So this is his house.
Okay.
His wife's across the street.
Okay.
When I got home, my wife's the one that called me.
Okay.
We were at my dad's having a cookout and all that. But anyways, I've talked to him a couple times. He's on the back porch directly across, sitting there.
Okay.
When I walked over to talk to him the first time, he had a family member that come up. He started screaming at them. I noticed a gun sitting right next to him.
Okay.
The magazine was out of it. I moved it for my safety, so I could talk to him to try to de-escalate and kind of find out what's going on, so nothing else kind of hopefully escalated. I went back over to check on my wife. I come back over to check on him right before you pulled up, and the gun is no longer in sight, and he's also making comments. It's all domestic with his family. But he's making comments as far as, if he was to die tonight, he'd be okay with it. So I don't know if there's any intentions.
Okay.
I wanted you to make sure that you knew all this before you went up there, that I have no idea where that, it's a black 380.
Okay.
I just don't know where he put it once I come back over here.
Okay.
I just wanted you to be aware before you walked up there to into anything.
How has he been with you?
Me? Good.
Okay.
He's been okay. It's more of a family issue. He said he just wants to be understood. There's been a lot of, sexual abuse with his wife, all that type of stuff with his family members. But as far as with me, he's totally fine. But I've never had an issue with him in the past.
Okay.
But it sounds like the neighbors over here witnessed a gunfire exchange between him and his brother. I don't know where the brother went. But yeah, that as far as, and I think he's been drinking.
Okay.
I can definitely smell alcohol.
What's his first name?
Brian.
Brian. Does he go by Brian or?
Brian.
Okay.
That's Brian Wilson, I believe.
After speaking with a neighbor who, as it turns out, was also the local fire captain, Deputy Shearer began making his way to Brian Wilson's home. The ex-fire captain confirmed that Brian was indeed armed, but noted that, in his view, Brian was likely still safe to approach. According to him, Brian's anger appeared to stem from the family dispute earlier that evening, not from any intent to harm others. For those just catching up, that dispute was reportedly triggered by comments Brian had made on Facebook. He alleged that his wife's father, who was at the time critically ill in hospital, had abused her during childhood. It's important to stress that these remain allegations, and as far as I'm aware, no formal investigation into those claims has been opened. So, Deputy Shearer was preparing to check in with Brian and assess the situation firsthand. What unfolded next would take everyone by surprise.
Brian?
Dude,
Nope.
don't come up here.
All right.
I'm telling you right now, I'm not in the mood.
What are you not in the mood for?
I'm not in the mood because my wife has been sexually abused her whole fucking life from her dad.
Can we talk about it?
Her cousins, everybody, and all of a sudden
38.
now her dad's dying, and I say something.
Brian has
and
the
I'm
gun.
a piece of
Okay.
shit.
Brian?
You don't come around that corner.
I have one I can.
Kill you. I'm not fucking playing.
That's fair.
You better just fucking go if you want your family to see you tomorrow.
He has a gun on
You
him.
have no idea what I'm.
All right, Brian.
Get the out of here now.
Can we talk about it?
You.
As backup units began arriving on scene, the situation escalated rapidly. What had initially been a routine welfare check was quickly turning into something far more dangerous.
Where is he?
He's on the porch.
Who is? Where's the shooter?
He's on the porch.
The shooter is? Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
I don't know. He said he threw it.
Where's the shooter?
He's on the porch screaming.
Give me your hands!
Brian, hands up now! Where's the gun? It's down. I'm sorry. I don't give a f. Where's the gun? It's down. My hands are up. Please help me, please. I'm sorry.
3859, I got multiple gunshots. 2 victims, one's gonna be our...
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Roll over!
Okay. I know. I'm sorry. Please. I know I hurt so bad. I'm sorry.
Is he alright?
I'm sorry.
3859, start me at 29. I do have a firefighter on scene saying it's going to be a code 16.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
38, 29 is already en route, coming from station 39.
I'm sorry. Ow! My shoulder's broke. Please help. Oh, God. Oh, fuck.
Is anybody else here?
No, I don't.
Who else is home?
Just puppies. Just puppies. I'm sorry.
At this point, a backup officer arrived and managed to detain Brian Wilson without resistance. But when he went to check on Deputy Shearer, the gravity of the situation hit hard. Deputy Shearer, unfortunately, didn't make it.
Good.
If you haven't contacted 1, 2, 3, 50, 46 as well, also get BCI over here for an officer-involved shooting. It appears he's going to be a 16.
Your officer's down. Yeah. He's gone. I need EMS for him, but I don't give a...
Can you revise your
I want you to know, you tell me when they can come in.
I'm sorry. What's the ETA on EMS?
Are they able to come in? I'm under... Yes. Multiple extremities. How old are you?
Seymour States, we're sending him in now.
How old are you? Brian.
Coming in with a 6-minute ETA.
50 something?
Yeah. Please help me, sir. I'm sorry. Please help me. I just want to survive. My hands
Brian's
are
going to be
so
a
bad.
50-year-old male, possible, multiple guns, arm and leg. At this time, that's what injuries I got. Breathing, alert, and oriented, talking to me.
Please help me.
You're for 1956.
I don't know if you guys see any other injuries.
My hands, please. I would love that.
One leg.
Thank you so much.
Now, I'm not done doing your arm. Just make sure he has no other injuries.
Thank you.
We'll test it.
Thank you guys. I love
Maybe.
you guys. I'm sorry.
Yep.
Blow her stomach.
Please help me.
Deputy Daniel Shearer lost his life on the night of May 26, responding to what began as a domestic violence call, a call that ended in unimaginable tragedy. His dedication and service will be remembered by his family, fellow officers, and the entire Morrow County community. Brian Michael Wilson, 53, has been charged with 14 felonies in connection with the incident, including 2 counts of aggravated murder, felony murder, attempted murder, domestic violence, and several firearm offenses. He has pleaded not guilty to all charges. Morrow County prosecutor Andrew Wick has announced that he intends to seek the death penalty if Wilson is convicted. Wilson's bond, initially set at $5 million, was raised to $9 million, a figure his attorney says he cannot afford. His next court appearance is scheduled for August 25th, when a trial date is likely to be set. This case stands as a grim reminder of the risks officers take each day when they put on the uniform. Our thoughts remain with Deputy Shearer's loved ones and all those impacted by this devastating loss. If you found this story important, please like and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth case breakdowns and updates. Your support helps us continue telling the stories that matter. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.